Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. And somebody sent me this file and they can't get rid of the white background of this reef because if you delete it, you just get the black. So here's what I would do. I've got my nudge distance set on 2 inches because this thing is only less than 2 inches. I'm going to grab, I got my yellow background locked. I'm going to grab the black and you can see the reef is all in half. And I'm going to nudge it out of the way 2 inches. And just to get them out of the way, I'm going to move these stars that I would also probably completely redo. And I'm going to grab all this white. I'm going to left click no fill, but I'm going to right click and outline. I'm going to take my reef, left click no fill, right click outline. And I'm going to nudge it over. Then just take your smart fill tool and fill in the black. And then you have a pretty good reef. I'm going to make a second video because he already sent it to me traced and everything, but it's not perfect. I'm going to show you how to clean this up equally with the other side. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.